It's no surprise that among the things made in Greater Binghamton is the local newspaper you read every morning. But you might be surprised to learn that the Press-and-Sun Bulletin is far from the only publication rolling off the press at Gannett's printing plant in Johnson City.
At 6 stories high and more than 2 million pounds, this state-of-the-art German printing press is way more than what's needed to put out the Press-and-Sun Bulletin every day. So the Elmira Star-Gazette and the Ithaca Journal are both printed here too, every night at the exact same time.
This press we're allowed to split in half and run 2 jobs at one time. We can print up to 70,000 copies an hour. And you can multiply that by 2 if we're having them come out both sides.
Gannett Central New York production manager Kevin Crane says even after printing 3 daily papers, there's plenty of capacity left over for outside jobs from customers as far away as Boston and Washington.
We now print about 8 or 9 different commercial print jobs. Some of them are weeklies, some of them are monthlies, and it's really helping us drive revenue and keeping that press running.
Feeding the immense machine are tanks of ink, 10,000 gallons of black, about 2,000 each of magenta, yellow, and cyan. 2 tractor-trailer loads of these 2-ton paper rolls come in every day. When one roll runs out, the replacement is spliced on automatically.
We monitor newsprint very closely. You notice when we did a web change down there that up to 7 papers were thrown away, where on the older presses, you would actually take a person grabbing those papers, and it could be anywhere up to 100, 150 papers you'd throw away.
Minimal waste, speed, color accuracy. A formula Crane says should remain viable for up to 20 years. In Johnson City, Steve Craig, News Channel 34.
About 1/3 of the press's capacity is still available, and Gannett hopes to bring in more outside jobs and add more workers on the weekends.